So it's been a while since I've done HVAC videos involving my window air conditioners. But today is March 15th, 2019, and I have not started the Amana cool zone since like the fall. So we're gonna start it up. But here's the catch. This thing, the compressor is still good, I think, but the start capacitor has gotten old and tired over the years. I mean, it's been like that for a few years already. So when you start like dry, like not in a while, it kind of like buzzes. The compressor kind of buzzes, like it doesn't want to start because the capacitor is too lazy to jump start the compressor. So I'll show you how I get this thing started. It takes a while though, so let's see if I can film all of the times it buzzes and clicks, but let's see. Okay, never mind then. It jump started right away with a bit of buzzing. Now I think this is because previously the air conditioner was connected to two extension cords, which I know is kind of dangerous, but they were AC grade, and it didn't supply enough power to the unit. So now that it's plugged into just one main extension cord, because the outlet's all the way over there, it has enough power for this thing to jump start even after a long cold winter. So it's on low cool. I'm gonna keep this here, close that. I'll clean this thing, tune it up before the summer comes. The air is cool, not cold yet. These coils are still not cool. These pipes in the back are actually frosted, have their normal frost when they start up. It has not reached these coils yet. But yeah, it sounds really healthy still. And my idea was, if it didn't jump start, I would not like to tell the maintenance that the AC isn't starting, because if somehow they don't want to or cannot replace the capacitor, I don't want them to replace this vintage gem, they call it. I want to maintain this gem. I don't want to replace it with some cheap modern stuff that won't last quite as long. But yeah, it's definitely getting there. So we can get a temperature reading out of this after a while. That looks like it's going to be it for this video. Thank you for watching.